Did you know that we are into the realty business here at Snoozy's Kids? Because we have some wonderful properties, and two properties I'm most excited to represent and show you. Take a look at this lovely little, gorgeous little cottage. Oh, somebody's looking at it inside. I don't think they'll mind if we take a peek. Oh, see the family's looking here. Oh, the wallpaper that's already done. The windows, oh my gosh, so stinking cute. We've got one more up here on the hill. Join me up here as we climb up to this one. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the shutters, and it's furnished. Oh my gosh, have you ever? Look up the bedroom up here. Bunk beds, twin beds, the wallpaper, the spacious bathroom, the bedroom. Oh my gosh, it goes up. Room for a skateboard in the living room. This, my friends, is an exclusive listing with Snoozy's Kids, and we're so proud to show it.